I will go to the northern South American tropical rainforest for an adventure. Average temperature is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. There are many plants, animals, and all tropical rainforests are by the equator, with an average rainfall of 250 centimeters of water per year. Let's go explore. No. I will go find my dog. Can you help me find my dog?
Sure. What should we do now?
I know that the toucan's structural adaptation is that its beak looks like teeth, which scares away predators. The behavioral adaptation is as the toucan hangs upside down, that looks like a banana.
I also know that banana trees can grow up to 25 feet tall, and they replace their fruit when the stem is cut off.
Ooh, I think that frog is a new species.
No, that's a red-eyed tree frog, and their adaptations are that they can stay motionless and they can blend with the leaves. And that's a kapok tree, and it has seeds that the oil has become quickly rancid.
I see my dog on the other side. I go home and get a happy life.
I also go home, and I also have a happy life.